Hello, people. So, as of tomorrow, I will be going somewhere, and I wish I could tell you all right now itself. But I feel once I'm in the train, I'll make that video saying where I'm going because it's such an exciting thing. So that's what. As of yesterday, I was practicing angel healing, like in terms of how I when I conduct my classes, I'll conduct the angel healing classes, and no, yeah, when you really think of it, we come on this earth to kind of graduate from the school. So it is just, like that is the real reason we've been sent on this earth for. So through these angel healing classes, I feel teaching is something that I really enjoy. So I mean, it just comes naturally to me. So no, I mean, in terms of certain things in life, it's like we are assigned that duty. So for me, I feel this is it, and conducting these angel healing classes, and basically everything that I've ever learned, I intend to compress it into that 1 hour and speak. And so that is something I'm looking forward to. And yesterday I did a recording on my phone itself of 15 minutes, because these classes I intend to conduct it for 1 hour. This is 15 minutes I recorded to see. Today again I'll practice because I'm enjoying doing that. So this video is going nowhere, but I'll catch you all soon enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.